Welcome to House ASA, a spacious private villa perfect for large groups, with a QR code in the description for easy booking. This getaway spot near Kujukuri Beach offers everything you need for a memorable stay, accommodating up to 22 people. Just a 7-minute walk from the coast, it's ideal for those who want to enjoy the ocean breeze while having plenty of space to relax. The villa features 5 comfortable bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances like a microwave and toaster. Enjoy meals together at the outdoor dining area with peaceful garden views, or gather around the fireplace for cozy evenings. Entertainment options include a home karaoke system and a flat-screen TV, while the private sauna adds a touch of luxury. There's even a barbecue setup for fun outdoor cooking. Practical amenities like free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and on-site parking make your stay hassle-free. The property is non-smoking and has a private entrance for added privacy. Located just 34 kilometers from Narita International Airport, it's a convenient choice for travelers. Nearby attractions include Chiba Port Tower and Naritasan Temple, both within a short drive. Whether you're planning a family reunion, a friend's getaway, or a team retreat, House ASA offers comfort, convenience, and plenty of space. Don't forget to check the QR code in the description to book your stay today.